Hey, it's Tommy here again with ElectriChef Grills. Today we're going to show you how to swap out your DCM control board. The process is straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First, unplug your grill. Next, you're going to pull out your drip trays, slide those out just with the handles past the control board. This will ensure when you roll your control board forward, your drip trays will not scratch your panel. Now, using just a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on each side of the panel and roll that panel forward, resting on the drip tray. Now you'll see the wires that are attached to the control board. Make sure you take a picture of the wiring to help you when you reinstall your new control board. We want to disconnect those and make sure the control board's free of all wires. Next, you will need to remove the probe wires from the green box. The best way to do this is to grab a ballpoint pen and press those orange release tabs firmly, and you will be able to release those wires. Next, you will use a nut driver or a socket to remove the 5 K-nuts that are holding the control board down. Make sure you keep up with the nylon washers and the stainless steel washers and see how many are under each K-nut. This will be important when you install your new control board. Once the 5 K-nuts are off, the board now can be removed. When you remove your old control board, do not remove any of the stainless washers or K-nut below the control board. Now install the new control board over the 5 studs in the same orientation as the old board. Now you're ready to reinstall the nylon washers, the stainless steel washers, and the K-nut onto each of the 5 studs. Now you're ready to wire up your control panel. Get your reference photo and copy the wiring from the old control board. The probe connection wires go into the green box. Press those in and they lock right in. Keep in mind that the red probe wire is a negative wire and your yellow probe wire is the positive wire. Double check that every wire is fully secured. Then roll the control panel back up and install the 2 screws on each side. Slide your drip trays back into place. Once everything is secured and put back in place, plug your grill back in. Now your grill should be operating like new. Happy grilling.